Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to this new video where we will explore the cultivation of blackcurrant bushes together, step by step, from planting to harvesting, including pruning and propagation. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the little bell to stay informed about my new videos. Also, remember to give a thumbs up to encourage me to continue translating videos from my French channel if you enjoy this type of content. Finally, leave me a comment to let me know which cultivation guide you would like to see in the next video or if you have any questions. I'll be happy to respond. Now, without further ado, let's start the video. Enjoy watching. 1. Presentation. The blackcurrant bush, often referred to as blackcurrant, belongs to the Grossulariaceae family. It is one of the 150 species in the ribes genus, which includes its cousins, the currant bush and the gooseberry bush, as well as ornamental species like the flowering currant. Found in the wild from Europe to Central Asia, this robust and bushy shrub, reaching dimensions of approximately 3.94 to 4.92 feet in all directions, is characterized by highly aromatic foliage and fruits, easy cultivation and maintenance, and excellent hardiness down to -13 degrees Fahrenheit. The blackcurrant bush discreetly blooms in the heart of spring, producing numerous long-hanging clusters with bell-shaped, yellowish flowers. Over the weeks, these flowers transform into globular black berries, ranging from approximately 0.39 to 0.59 inches in diameter depending on the variety. The strong flavored fruits mature in early summer. Two. Soil exposure. The blackcurrant bush thrives in deep, cool soil during the summer, preferably with an acidic or neutral pH, rich in organic matter, and well drained, as its roots dislike winter moisture. If it is comfortable in the open ground, you can also cultivate it in a container on the balcony or terrace. Place it in a sunny but not scorching location. Partial shade is preferable in southern regions. In colder areas, protect it from late frosts that can hinder flower pollination and thwart the hope of fruiting. 3. Planting. Planting is preferably done in winter or early spring, avoiding periods of frost, snow, or intense rain. Planting in open ground. Allocate a living space of approximately 2.62 to 3.28 feet. Dig a planting hole at least 2 times the size of the root ball. Improve the drainage of compact soil by adding coarse sand, gravel, or pumice. Add well-decomposed organic compost. Hydrate the root ball in water for a few minutes before planting or heal in the roots if the blackcurrant bush, ribes rubrum, as bare root. Water generously, then mulch with organic mulch to prevent weed growth. Limit watering thereafter. Good to know. Bury the base of the branches under approximately 2 inches of soil to promote recovery and establishment. Container gardening. Use a large container, at least approximately 15.75 inches in diameter or on each side, made of terracotta or any other draining material with drainage holes. Line the bottom of the pot with a layer of clay balls and fill it with a specialized planting mix that is sufficiently dense and rich, or a combination of universal potting soil and garden soil. Mulch to reduce the frequency of watering. Propagation. As blackcurrant bushes root easily, it will be possible to propagate them by cuttings from late summer to early fall, using semi-hardwood cuttings. 4. Pruning. Each year, in late winter, before the first leaves appear, prune the older, less productive branches to ground level, keeping only about 10 branches in the end. Also, remove the shoots growing towards the center of the bush and any dead wood. Five. Maintenance care. In open ground, water regularly during the first 2 summers. The rooting system of the blackcurrant bush, ribes rubrum, is shallow, and it does not tolerate drought, especially when young. Renew the mulch. Its decomposition provides enough nourishment for the shrub. In poor soil, supplement in spring with a special fruit tree fertilizer. In a container, ensure the substrate remains moist throughout the growing season. Apply special fruit tree fertilizer in early spring and supplement with a monthly dose of liquid fertilizer added to the watering from May to August. Repot every 3 years in fresh substrate. Surface the other years. Note: blackcurrant bushes do not tolerate drought, which makes them susceptible to diseases and pests. 6. Harvest storage. Blackcurrants are harvested at perfect ripeness throughout the summer, depending on the varieties and climate. An adult plant yields approximately 4.4 to 6.6 pounds of fruit. Not all fruits ripen simultaneously. Those at the top of the clusters ripen first. Wait until the berries at the bottom of the cluster are ripe before picking them. Rinse quickly under fresh water before consumption or use. Blackcurrants will keep for a few days in the fridge, or you can freeze them. Good to know. The leaves of the blackcurrant bush have therapeutic properties, relief for joint and rheumatic pains. Seven. Cutting. Propagation will take place from late summer to early fall. The blackcurrant bush has the advantage of rooting easily. Take advantage of this by propagating it, following these steps. Take cuttings about 7.87 inches or 20 centimeters long from semi-hardwood, or semi-lignified, shoots that show no signs of disease. Prune just above a bud. Place the cuttings in a small trench dug in partial shade in moist soil. Alternatively, choose a deep pot filled with rooting compost or a mix of potting soil and sand, leaving only 2 buds exposed. Wait for about a year for the cuttings to root. In the following autumn, transplant the cuttings that have shown signs of growth to their final location. Gently lift them with a garden fork. This video is now concluded. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to the channel to motivate me to continue translating all the videos from my French channel. Also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Finally, leave a comment to let me know which cultivation guide you'd like to see in the next video or if you have any questions. I'll respond with pleasure. See you soon for the next video. Goodbye.